Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Bitcoin SV. Is BSV built to be cash? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing my assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of BSV at the time of the recording, guys. So this is BSV. It is up 1.06% for the day. The price is $63.92. It went as low as 61.67, as high as $64.54. If you look at the 7-day chart, it is down 1.96%. Although, guys, it has rebounded well since it touched the $59 mark, $59-$60 mark. It has bounced really good, and it's on its way to touching the 7-day high, guys, which is $65. If we look at the monthly chart, guys, it is down 1.91% for the month. It went as high as $72 and as low as $56.8 if you look at the monthly. And guys, this area, the $58 mark, the $65 mark, is acting like a magnet. It is acting like that attraction point that we time and again talk about. Whenever the price has gone up, it has come back down towards this place. And vice versa, when it has fallen, it has come back, and it is on its way back again, guys. So let's see when we are seeing basically this range since a month now. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, it is up 89.70% in the last year. From $31 it went to all the way to 120, almost, guys, 115, $114. Since that time it has come down, and I think it is basically testing this crucial support area over here. It tested this basically, the 50, 55, $57 mark, and now it is trying to rebound from this level, guys, the all-time chart. And guys, if it breaks above it and goes back to the $115 mark this time around, I think it will certainly break it and move forward towards the $200, $185, $180 mark. Although $125, there are a lot of areas which need to be broken for it to grow. Anyways, guys, BSV has the potential to grow, although it has a market cap of $1.2 billion, but still it has the potential to grow with the brand name with it, Bitcoin. It certainly can become a brand in the future as well. Let me share with you this post, guys. So check this out. Holy God, this from Maxi BSV. Holy God. Only BSV can have this activity on 1000 ratio, 1 price ratio to BTC. What a pitiful, disgusting status quo we are leaving behind with the fall of BTC. I mean, the fall of BTC we wouldn't want a fall of BTC, to be very honest, because that wouldn't be a pretty sight for the market. I mean, that would be a bloodbath, because it is something that people are relying on as having high value, and even those people that aren't familiar with the crypto industry, they know what BTC is, they know what Bitcoin is, and if Bitcoin falls, people will just say that, yeah, crypto has fallen because BTC has fallen. So anyways, what a relief to see the BTC shit collapsing. I mean, we can argue on this. A lot of people would want it, but a lot of people wouldn't want that bloodbath. We would rather want BTC to just be in a sideways price action for just to be there. So anyways, regardless of the price, wherever it is, We do not want more bloodbaths. I mean, we're already sick of it. To be very honest, I certainly am. Imagine if PSV was today or tomorrow $70K dollars. There would be no second best. It's really where activity happens. Everyone's activity, not just the riches who afford to pay $20 or $200 or soon $20K dollars in fees to transfer their 100 millions by bypassing SWIFT and sanctions. People are so happy the rich and crime can now avoid SWIFT and restrictions, transferring cheaply their crime billions. Yet a poor person is being screwed when they on ramp from fiat or gets paid in BTC, as the sender will reduce the amount sent by the amount of fees plus huge commission for the on ramp service. CBDCs on Bitcoin will allow direct on-off ramp as an exchange of a Bitcoin protocol token to native BSV. Guys, CBDCs are here, and whether we like it or not, the central bank digital currencies are being worked upon throughout the globe. There has been constant, vigorous testing. This is a reality. The central banks will eventually come up with their CBDCs, their digital tokens. Anyways, and then anyone can transact at the fraction of a penny. Poor or rich will compete with brain power and creativity. Frictionless free market competition, equitable world will be a reality in the long run if we also manage to use AGI the right way. New world order. So guys, check this out. Before checking this out, let me show you over here. There are some interesting comments over here as well. Master of cherry picking. In my opinion, the reason BSV is near worthless is because this is true market discovery of price. Just no one likes the results. 1000 ratio 1, enough said. Yeah. So yeah, check this out. You don't get it. BTC is a store of value, and rich people want to store their value. High fees and small blocks are perfect. BSV is built to be cash, and society has yet to use it as such. So obviously, it is. We are far from that time, far from that mass adoption of digital assets for it to be used as such. Unless until that happens, there really is no value yet. AI will be the first to use it. Tell me you know nothing about it, about BTC and the white paper. LOL, BTC doesn't follow the white paper at all. I agree, it doesn't follow the white paper. I was quick to respond when I read it being a store of value, in which I disagree since it goes up and down like a yo yo. I agree with you on BSV though. It becomes a store of value when they control L2, and it doesn't change often. I'm not a fan of it, but they will make it work. The US government owns over 200k BTC. I mean, that's a lot. That indeed is a lot, guys. We'll use BCH, not BSV. Okay. BCH lost when they changed the protocol and kept the block size. I mean, in the grander scheme of things, that isn't that much. Yeah, I thought something else. I think. Do you think it is a lot? Yeah, yeah, 200k BTC. I thought 200k dollars. Okay, so yeah, that indeed is a lot. What value does a BTC net have when it is capable of processing fewer transactions than its competitors? Please point out where the store of value is coming from. Obviously, the first mover advantage, the grandfather of the entire industry, it indeed is the store of value. We cannot deny that. BSV is both SOV and cash. BTC is only one SOV, which will collapse as it is store of value, which will collapse as it is not really, except for some whales manipulating price with fake volume demand. I used to think so too. The same people who look back the dollar now back BTC, so I don't think so anymore. They will make BTC so slow that they can control it and start to manipulate it. Okay, so really good debate over here. What other comments do we have? No one cares. It's mutable and centralized. BSV is collapsing and falling. It's such a laugh and relief to see. BSV will vanish soon. It's mined at a massive loss with zero fees per empty failed block. So what do you guys think? Is BSV collapsing and falling according to Mr. Anthony, or is it becoming on its way to become the next big thing in crypto and a cash alternate to cash as well in the future? Check this out. Now, this is the graphic that Mr. Maxi BSV shared. BTC, Bitcoin Cash, eCash, Bitcoin SV, block reward halving, 2713 blocks have been mined, 5070 blocks have been mined with the new block reward of 3.125 BCH, and Bitcoin reward of 3.2125. Block reward halving, 3,909 blocks have been mined with the new block reward of 3.125 million XEC. As far as BSV is concerned, guys, $63, 3,704 blocks have been mined with the new block reward of 3.125 BSV. Cool. Check out the hash rate 99.30, hash rate 0.53, hash rate 0.04, hash rate 0.13%, network nodes 97.83%, network nodes 1.94%, 0.60%, 0.23% BSV. Check out the transactions, guys. Transactions 67.30%, block size 82.01%. Meanwhile, BTC transactions 29.36%, block size is 15.99%. Development last updated today, last updated 3 days ago, guys. So, what do you guys think about Bitcoin SV? Is it on its way to becoming a brand in crypto, or it is just smokes and mirrors? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.